Turn your paper over. Let's fold it in half. Open it, flip it, and fold it in half again. Now fold the corners to the middle to make little triangles. Keep folding the triangles the same way, nice and neat. All done. Flip it over. Fold the corners to the middle to make little triangles. Keep folding the same way. Press the folds nice and firm as you go. All done. Flip it over again. Now fold it toward the middle again. When you're finished, flip it back over. Use your fingers to open this part, then gently squish it flat. Press it down nice and flat. Open and flatten all 4 parts. One piece is finished. Let's make one more just the same. Fold it in half. Open it up, flip it over, and fold it in half again. When you open it, fold the corners to the middle to make little triangles. Fold the other corners to the middle too. Then fold the corners to the middle to make little triangles. Now fold the rest to the middle too. Open it the same way and squish it flat. Do that for all 3 spots. When you finish all 3, flip it over and set it down. Now open this little triangle. Then take the triangle in the back. Open it up too. Next, lift the top flap. Fold it down toward the point of the triangle. Then close this part. It will look like this. Now tuck this piece into the little pocket. This part is a bit tricky, so ask a grown-up to help you if you need to. There's a little pocket, so tuck it in there. Use your fingers to press and make the shape nice and neat. Now it looks like a little backpack. Now let's make the backpack flap and the straps. Cut the paper into 4 pieces. Take one piece and cut it in half again. Let's use the bigger piece to make the backpack flap. Fold it in half toward the middle line. Fold the corners just a little. Now let's make the backpack straps. Let's make one more just the same. Now let's put the flap on the backpack. Slide it into this little pocket. Fold the tip of the flap just a little. Then tuck it into this little space. When you're done, let's add the straps. You can use glue to stick them on really well. It looks cute in other colors too. Look forward to the next video. See you next time.